So to replace your windshield wipers, you make sure you push this column up, the wiper column up, and the wipers will move and come back and sit at this spot. So that will allow you to lift them up, and as you can see, you can easily lift them up without hitting your hood, and you're not damaging anything. Okay, so let's get the to take the old one off, you first need to press this clip in. They are so both on the same side, one on opposite side, sorry, I mean. So to push them in, lift this up, and it comes off like this. So you put the old one away. Okay. So I'm using the Bosch Icon. You can find these on the Amazon. As you can see, the clip is a little bit different than the OEM clip. The OEM clip comes with these two push bar kind of looking things, but this one doesn't have the push thing, and you have to stick it in. So now let me show you how to install the new one on. So if you want to bring the camera close by. So to begin it, so you first put the bottom part in and wait for it to click. It's kind of tricky because it's not the OEM. So once it clicks, so now you push the top part in until this thing clicks in. And now they are sturdy, they won't move. These are much better because they are more stable than the OEM, and they are also better quality and cheaper too. The wipers that I bought off Amazon, passenger size is 19 inch and the driver side is 24 inch.